Fried, sunny side up, or hard boiled? Runny, jammy, or fully set? Here's how to make every one in your air fryer. First up, fried eggs. Start by preheating an oven-safe Ramekin in your air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Once it's hot, spray it with oil, toss in your egg, and season it with a little salt and pepper. Now lower the temperature to 360 Fahrenheit and cook it to your favorite yolk. 5 minutes for a runny yolk, 6.5 for jammy, or 8 minutes for fully set. Now let's make the classic sunny side up version. Preheat a large oven-safe pan the same way for 5 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. Once it's hot, give it a quick spray of oil and toss in your eggs. Now lower the temperature to 360 Fahrenheit and cook for 7 minutes for a perfect sunny side up egg. Last up, and by far the easiest, hard boiled. Preheat your air fryer to 250 Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Add your eggs and cook them to your preferred doneness. 15 minutes for jammy, 18 minutes for a fully cooked yolk. As soon as they come out, transfer them to an ice bath for 5 to 7 minutes to stop the cooking before peeling. Here's the difference every minute makes. Which one are you picking? Fried, sunny side up, or hard boiled? Runny, jammy, or fully set? Now you know how to make every one in your air fryer. If this helped you out, help me out by hitting that like and subscribe button. I've got new recipes up every Thursday. I'll see you then.